here's how you're going to set up the VSeeBox V6 Plus in under 3 minutes so you can start streaming right away without confusion. First, you're going to check your box contents before you start. Your package should include the V6 Plus unit, a backlit Bluetooth remote, an HDMI cable, a power adapter, and a user manual. If anything is missing, do not proceed. Contact the seller first. Next, you're going to place the V6 Plus near your TV and plug the included HDMI cable into the back of the unit. Connect the other end to any open HDMI port on your television, then plug the power adapter into the device and into a wall outlet. Next, you're going to turn your TV on and switch the input source to the HDMI port you just used. Now, after that, you're going to follow the on-screen setup wizard. It will ask you to select your language, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and sign in or create an account. For the strongest and most stable connection, use an Ethernet cable if your router is nearby, because Wi-Fi 6 also works for most households. Once your network is connected, the system will check for any updates and apply them automatically. Now, pair your TV remote to the V6 Box so you can control both devices with one button. Hold the TV power button on the VSeeBox remote for 3 to 5 seconds. The indicator light on the remote will start flashing. Point your TV remote at the front of the VSeeBox remote and press its power button. When the indicator light becomes solid, the pairing is complete. If the TV screen stays blank after connecting, you can also try a different HDMI port on your television. Most setup issues come from the connection problems, not the device itself. Once everything is set, your VSeeBox V6 Plus home screen will load and your streaming apps will be ready to launch. Following these simple steps makes setting up the VSeeBox V6 Plus quick and easy.